Hello students, today we will study draft 2 spinning system. In the last lecture we have studied the basic principle of friction spinning. Then I have told you the types of draft spinning systems, that how many types of draft spinning systems are there. In the last one we have studied draft 1 spinning system, in which we have seen there is only one perforated drum used for the spinning of the friction spun yarn. Today we will study draft 2 spinning system. This kind of spinning system is improved form of draft 1. In draft 1 there was only one perforated drum. Here we are using two spinning drums or perforated drums for production of the friction spun yarn. So in this spinning system, we are feeding the slivers. In this diagram from right hand side, you can see there are inlet rollers which are ensuring the feed of the slivers to the carding drum, or you can say opening roller. The object of this opening roller is to convert the material into individual fiber stage, and due to centrifugal force, the fibers are transferred between the area between the perforated drums. And in this, there is an additional blower air which ensures that the fibers are directly falling in between the perforated drums. So then we are adding a seed yarn between the perforated drums, and due to friction between the yarn and the drums, the twisting takes place, helical twisting takes place, and the fibers are attached to the open end of the yarn, and this yarn is continuously withdrawn also and wound on a cross wound package. So as the material is coming up from the slivers and then to the opening roller, and then blower air is forcing the yarn between the drums, and then yarn is formed between the spinning drums. So there is a suction in the drums. So this suction also helps to produce a clean yarn, and this was successful to some extent in the industries, and this machine was introduced in 1975 in the ITMA exhibition. And what are the plus points and negative points of this draft 2 spinning system? Due to slippage between the yarn and the drum, the whole of the twist is not transferred to the yarn actually. The yarn strength is lesser than the ring spun yarn, and that's why we require more number of fibers in the yarn cross section. So this restricts the draft 2 spinning system to produce the yarns from 0 count to 6 count only. It means this draft 2 spinning system is suitable for coarse count only. It is not a versatile machine. You cannot spin any count, any material on this. So this is generally suitable for coarse count only, because the twist is taking place due to friction between yarn and the drum. and there is a slippage between the yarn and the drum. So that's why the yarn strength is low. So due to these limitations, then another DREF 3 spinning system was devised, and that was introduced, that we will study on the next turn. In that the core spun yarn structure is formed, and in the core you can have a different material, different filament in that. So with this I finish today's lecture, and we will continue our study on the friction spun yarn. Thank you.